Hello and welcome to the Heat Team Support video gallery. In this video we will be demonstrating the process of how to unblock a frozen condensate pipe. Please take note of the following health and safety advice. Be sure to watch the entire process before attempting to thaw your condensate pipe. Only attempt the process provided you feel competent to take the actions described. Do not attempt to unblock your condensate pipe if it is not accessible from standing at ground level. In recent years, the UK has experienced some extreme winter weather, with temperatures dropping as low as -20 degrees Celsius for long periods of time. This has had a dramatic effect on condensing high-efficiency boilers. As a byproduct, condensing high-efficiency boilers produce condensation or water vapour via the combustion process and require a condensate pipe to drain the collected condensate away from the boiler. The condensate pipe can very often run outside the heating envelope of the property, for example, through enclosed but unheated areas of the home, like the garage or loft, or in the most common cases of freezing, the condensate pipe is installed on an outside wall. Exposed areas of condensate pipe can quickly freeze if subjected to long periods of low temperatures or extreme freezing temperatures, creating blockages and forcing water back up the condensate pipe and into the boiler, causing the boiler to stop working. If left unchecked, the first symptom you may experience is no heating and no hot water, in addition to digital error codes or indicator lights that will appear on the boiler control panel. In the case of Baxi products, error code E133 is most commonly displayed. Other ways your boiler will signify the condensate pipe is frozen include a solid, flashing red indicator light next to the flame failure symbol, the boiler locking out, and/or the boiler making gurgling sounds. To unfreeze your condensate pipe, please take the following action. Step 1. Locate the frozen, blocked part of the condensate pipe. This will probably be the part which is most exposed to the freezing temperatures and outside the heating envelope of the property. It could be in an enclosed room without heating, such as a loft or garage, but is most likely to be on an outside wall somewhere along the property. Step 2. It will be necessary to warm the condensate pipe across the whole of the exposed length in order to defrost and unblock it. We would recommend either of the following techniques. A hot water bottle. This will slowly and safely thaw the pipe. A microwaveable heat pack, like those traditionally used for relieving aches and pains. This will slowly and safely thaw the pipe. Warm water poured from a container such as a watering can. Start at the furthest point from the boiler and work back across the whole length of the condensate pipe. Do not be tempted to use boiling water, as this could damage the condensate pipe. Most importantly, be aware that below freezing temperatures can cause water to freeze quickly and create a slip hazard. So if you do attempt this method, please take all the necessary precautions by applying salt or grit to the standing areas. Step 3. If you are sure that the condensate pipe has been unblocked, it's time to test your boiler. Depending on your boiler model, the process to reset your boiler may differ. If you are unsure, then consult the user manual supplied with your boiler. This video demonstrates the process appropriate to Baxi high-efficiency products. Simply reset the boiler using the reset button. For information on how to prevent your condensate pipe from freezing in the future, please view our follow-on video, Preventing Condensate Pipe Freeze. Thank you for watching.